This is Huawei P8 Lite. P8 Lite released January 2017. After 4 years, this phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from Shada's Doubt. So let's start the video. Huawei P8 Lite comes with 5.2-inch IPS LCD display, 1080 x 1920 pixel, 69.5 skin to body ratio. So you can watch a 1080p YouTube video. Huawei P8 Lite using chipset Kirin 665 and Android version running Android 10 and EMUI version 8, and this is 3GB RAM and 16GB ROM variant, and you also use micro SD card. So you can play Call of Duty and PUBG in a medium graphics.
Almost there. Keep it up.
So now talk about the battery. Huawei P8 Lite using 3000 mAh non-removable battery. So let's move on the camera. Huawei P8 Lite comes with single 12 megapixel camera. This camera also comes with lot of features. You can take photo, pro photo, video and pro video, and you also record time lapse and slow motion video. So let's see some photo and video sample. So main camera you can record highest 1080 30 fps video, and this is the video sample. And you also record 120 fps slow motion video. So now talk about the selfie camera. This phone comes with 8 megapixel single selfie camera. So now talk about the security. You can unlock your phone by the fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner is speed pretty well. So do you have to buy Huawei P8 Lite 2021? Huawei P8 Lite is still worth it 2021 if you buy 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant. But if you buy 3GB RAM and 16GB ROM variant, this is not worth it 2021. Okay, this is all about Huawei P8 Lite full review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you on something another video. I'm Chada from Chada's Day Out. Allah Hafiz.